philosophical basis, Mahayuddha has started. A dynamic and a purposeful interaction between the forces of the higher self, they are the Pandavas, and the forces of the lower self. But the energies, they come from the same source. In the battle, the weapons that are being used by enemies and better weapons used by friends, all the weapons have come from a one source. So sometimes some weapons are used for higher self, Yudhishthira part. Sometimes those weapons are the heroes. Battle in the battlefield, how people are dying. They allow themselves to be killed. For whom? Sometimes for the Pandavas, sometimes the Kauravas. But they themselves have no interest, personal interest. That's the role of energy. And its same is further spiced up by bringing Kunti and Gandhari. Gandhari always thinks that if Gandhari is not aware that Kunti is the mother of Karna. So each time Gandhari talks against Karna, Kunti doesn't like it. So subtle, intricate psychology is being presented by all these changes occur in your whole mental set. And the entire mental set is ruled by the general of the army is Bhishma. Bhishma is Chitta, total Chitta. The Chitta takes two turns, two aspects. Dushta Chatushtaya, Shishta Chatushtaya. One aspect of the Chitta is supporting the wicked four, Shakuni, Duryodhana, Karna, Dushasana, and divine four. That divine four is Yudhishthira, Arjuna, Krishna, Bhima. So these two types of Dushchatushtayas. Dushchatushtaya is Antahkarana Chatushtaya, fourfold mind. Two types. They are not so distinct. In a storyline, they have become distinct. In life, they mix up. Even in a storyline, there is a mixed up battle that goes on. And all that is leading to the goal at the first stage is to disable Bhishma. Make the Bhishma Chitta, broad Chitta, the very mother of both Chatushtayas. That Chitta is the basis of your bondage as well as your release. And your release becomes secure when Chitta becomes disabled to help the Kauravas. When disabled, he can't help the Kauravas. When Chitta is filled by the rays of light, that's called Satta Samanya. And Yoga Vasishtha gives terminology of sattva patti. Chitta is there, but incapable of supporting the lower self. Rather, in a subtle way, aiding the process of sublimation of the lower self. That will be the role of Bhishma. And now we continue with the story. The story has many details.